This is the moment the US military landed its X-37B robotic spaceplane at Vandenberg Air Force Base in Central California, ending a classified mission lasting 22 months. The X-37B, also known as the Orbital Test Vehicle, was carried into orbit for this latest mission, its third, aboard an unmanned Atlas V rocket from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida back in December 2012. The spacecraft conducted unspecified experiments for 674 days while in orbit, marking the lengthiest mission to date for the secretive program, which is managed by the Air Force Rapid Capabilities Office. The Air Force says the orbiters built by Boeing perform risk reduction, experimentation, and concept of operations development for reusable space vehicle technologies, although details of the missions are secret. Total program costs and budget line are likewise classified.